everyone, this is me Anuswa Acharya. So this is my video for personal protective equipment, donning in and donning off before getting into the isolation room. So my PPE video starts with my introduction, then I'm gonna gather my supplies. I have my gown, my gloves, and a mask. So now I'm gonna start the procedure by putting the gown, mask, and the gloves in and getting inside the isolation room. First I'm gonna do my hand hygiene. Then I'm gonna get prepared to get into the isolation room. So first I'm gonna apply my gown. So I'm gonna open my gown, gonna place my two hand in and cover all my clothings. Then I'm gonna tie my neck of the gown, then I'm gonna secure the bottom of the gown. So I'm gonna pull both the arms of the gown down to the wrist. Now the next I'm gonna put the gloves on. I'm gonna put the right gloves on. Making sure it's over the gown and secured. Gonna do the same on the other side. Gonna secure by putting over the rest of the gown. Next, okay, so it's secure. Now I'm gonna put my mask on. So I'm gonna enter the isolation room, do my care, then I'm gonna leave the isolation room. As I step out of the room, now I'm gonna take my contaminated PPE mask and the gloves out. Starting with the gloves, I'm gonna use my first left hand gloves, left hand, and just pull the gloves out. I'm gonna make a roll. I'm gonna use a 2-finger under the gloves and just pull it out. I'm gonna throw them in the contaminated bin. The next I'm gonna untie my gown from the back. Okay, so I'm gonna do the same and untie the lower back of my gown. So with without touching the outer part of the gown. I'm just gonna pull the string of the gown and just pull it forward and take my one hand off and just hold it from the inside and pull it out, and just hold it from the inside and make a roll, and then pull it out from the other side. Just make a roll and throw it in the designated contaminated bin. The next, I'm going to take my mask off from one side. Do the same on the other side. I'm going to throw them in the contaminated bin. So I'm going to dispose all of my all of my equipment in the designated bin so that we won't spread the microorganism to the other person. So after this, I'm going to do the hand hygiene. If I did go on my C. diff patient, I'm going to use the soap and water. If not, then I'm going to do the sanitizer. Then I'm going to step out of the room. Thank you so much.